Russian Revolution, there are so many causes, among them one of the social cause. I partly said the video. I make the video in partly, but not to the combine. So this is only small part of the Russian Revolution, that is social cause. When compared to the other European nation, Russia was politically backward. 13th century, partly semi-barbaric and partly the feudalic. That means most of the Russian country was barbaric and the feudal system was too high. Society was divided into privileged class and non-privileged class, just like the French society before the French Revolution. 85% population earn their living from agriculture. So there is a heavy burden on the agriculture land. But the cultivator work hard to meet their basic need and had to bear the barbarities of privileged class. As all you know, the peasant work under the feudal system, so they have no rights on the production. They get only few amount as a worker, wages as a worker in the kind of or in the money. So their condition was poor, but they all are bear the burden of taxation also, just like the French Revolution. Before the condition of the French Revolution, you already know about the torture of the privileged class into the unprivileged, non-privileged class. So the same condition we can find here, barbarities of the privileged class. The privileged class always torture on the non-privileged class. That means all the peasant and worker and other common person. Wherever their condition was too much poor, because all the taxes they paid, direct or indirect taxes paid by the non-privileged class. So the same condition over in Russia also, neither farmer nor the worker had any meaningful place in the society. So all you do, the 85% population who are earning by the agriculture and another more than 90%, they have no any meaningful place in the society. See, they always try to get some liberty, but they have no importance. The growing middle class, which mainly comprised of the small industrialist, merchant and intellectual, was disenchanted autocratic Tsardom. That means the middle class, going middle class, not in favor of the Tsardom. Tsardom was the autocratic ruler or the divine ship or the kingshipness, divine kingshipness of the Tsar. Tsar will also the meaning of king. With the expansion of education, जैसे जैसे education expansion होता गया, the ideology of the middle class underwent rapid change. When the middle class getting the ideology with the expansion of the education, the ideology of the middle class undergo rapid change, which lead the revolution also, and they ask for the democratic or the republic rule.